How to earn money making sesame oil. Did you know you can transform a small home setup into a gold mine by making sesame oil? That's right, this ancient treasure, loved for its health benefits and culinary magic, could turn into your next big income stream. Stay tuned because today, I'll show you step by step how to start your own sesame oil business right from home, with low investment and high profits. Let's unlock the secrets to earning big while creating something people can't live without. Welcome to Prince Sam Official, the channel where we bring you actionable business ideas to grow your wealth. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Step 1. Understand the sesame oil market. Before diving into production, understand why sesame oil is in high demand. Health benefits. Sesame oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, making it a favorite for cooking and skincare. Versatile uses. It's used in households, restaurants, Ayurvedic medicine, and cosmetics. Research your local market to find potential buyers like wholesalers, retailers, or direct consumers. Step 2. Gather the raw materials. You'll need high-quality sesame seeds to produce premium sesame oil. Here's how to source them. Buy from local farmers or agricultural markets. Opt for organic seeds if you want to target the premium health-conscious market. Pro tip: buy in bulk to reduce costs. Step 3. Essential equipment. Invest in a small-scale oil extraction machine. These are affordable and easy to operate. Popular options include cold press machines for high-quality oil, hot press machines for larger yields. Additionally, you'll need a filter press machine to purify the oil, storage containers for packaging. Step 4. Setting up your home workspace. Designate a clean, dry area in your home for production. Ensure adequate ventilation, easy access to electricity and water, compliance with local food safety regulations. Step 5. The oil making process. Here's how to make sesame oil step by step. 1. Clean the sesame seeds, remove impurities like dust and stones. 2. Roast, optional, for a nutty flavor, roast the seeds lightly before pressing. 3. Extract the oil, feed the seeds into the oil press machine. Collect the oil in a container. 4. Filter the oil, use a filter press to remove any remaining particles. 5. Bottle and label, store the oil in attractive bottles. Add labels with your brand name and product details. Step 6. Pricing your sesame oil. Calculate your production cost and add a profit margin. For instance, if your cost per liter is $5, sell it for $8, $10. Research competitors to ensure your price is competitive. Step 7. Marketing your product. Use these strategies to sell your sesame oil. Social media, post videos of the oil making process to build trust. Local markets, offer samples to attract customers. Online platforms, sell through e-commerce sites like Amazon or Etsy. Collaborate with retailers, supply your oil to grocery stores and health shops. Step 8. Scaling the business. Once you've gained traction, expand by buying larger equipment for mass production. Introducing new products like sesame oil blends or skincare oils. Uses of sesame oil. 1. Culinary uses. Cooking. Sesame oil is a popular choice in cooking, especially in Asian cuisine. It enhances the flavor of dishes like stir-fries, marinades, and soups. Salad dressings. Its rich, nutty flavor makes it ideal for salad dressings and dips. Frying. Refined sesame oil has a high smoke point, making it perfect for frying. 2. Skincare. Moisturizer. Sesame oil deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. Massage oil. Widely used in Ayurvedic practices, it helps relax muscles and improve circulation. Anti-aging, rich in antioxidants, sesame oil helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. 3. Hair care. Scalp treatment. Sesame oil helps combat dandruff and promotes healthy hair growth. Shiny hair. It adds shine and luster to hair when used as a conditioner. 4. Medicinal uses. Joint pain relief. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it's used in massages to relieve arthritis and joint pain. Digestive health. Consuming sesame oil may improve digestion and reduce acidity. Heart health. Rich in healthy fats, it helps lower cholesterol and supports cardiovascular health. 5. Industrial uses. Cosmetics, used as a base in many creams, lotions, and lip balms. Pharmaceuticals, sesame oil is used in certain medications and ointments. Soaps and detergents, its natural properties make it a preferred ingredient in handmade soaps and detergents. Benefits of sesame oil. 1. Rich in nutrients. Contains vitamins E and K, which are essential for skin and overall health. Packed with antioxidants that protect cells from damage. 2. Promotes heart health. Contains healthy fats like omega-6 fatty acids that help reduce bad cholesterol levels. 3. Boosts immunity. The presence of zinc, magnesium, and iron supports immune function. 4. Aids in weight loss. When consumed in moderation, sesame oil boosts metabolism and aids in fat loss. 5. Improves bone health. High in calcium and phosphorus, making it great for maintaining strong bones. 6. Enhances skin glow. Its ability to repair damaged skin cells makes it a must-have for natural skincare. 7. Reduces stress and anxiety. Contains magnesium, which helps calm the nervous system. Massage with sesame oil is known to relieve stress and improve sleep. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces inflammation in the body, benefiting people with arthritis and joint pain. And there you have it, a complete roadmap to starting your sesame oil business from home. By following these steps, you're not just making oil, you're creating a brand that people will trust and love. Remember, consistency and quality are key to building a loyal customer base. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more business tips and ideas. Hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more guidance. I'm here to help you succeed. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, success is just one idea away, and Prince Sam Official loves you all. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep winning.